Hey folks, Maswaki from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to transfer Android data to iOS without losing data. First, here we are going to talk about the best ways to transfer phone data from Android to iPhone, and I will guide you all with a step-by-step tutorial to make sure you can easily transfer data from old phone to new iPhone. So without wasting much time, let's get started with first method, which is also official way to transfer data from Android to iPhone for free, and that is Move to iOS app. Simply download Move to iOS on your Android phone. I have shared the link in description as well. Now once Move to iOS get installed on Android phone, tap open. This opens Move to iOS app. Now tap continue. Tap agree to terms and conditions. Now tap continue to find your code. This will help us to transfer data from old Android phone to new iPhone. Okay, then here we need a code from our iOS device to complete data transfer process, but as I am already using my iPhone, I will be required to factory reset to complete data transfer process. Perform factory reset and then setting up my iPhone. Here comes app and data screen. Now from here we can restore iPhone data using various methods like restore data from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC, transfer directly from iPhone, move data from Android, or don't transfer apps and data. As we are looking to transfer data from Android to iPhone, tap move data from Android. Next, tap continue. Now here is our single use code generated. Simply enter the code on our Android Move to iOS app, and now we need to give some permissions on Move to iOS Android app. Give permissions to allow access to data that we want to transfer. First, we can also transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone for free using Move to iOS. Well, we will discuss about that in some other video. For now, let's transfer other data like photos, videos and contacts. After we have selected data, tap continue. It starts to transfer data from Android to iPhone. It may take some time depending on data size, and once done, here we have the confirmation on both devices. Transfer complete. Tap continue and boom. Here we have successfully transferred data from Android to iPhone for free using Move to iOS. But we had to factory reset our iPhone and lose all our current data on iPhone. That's a big disadvantage of using Move to iOS to transfer data from Android to iPhone for free. Well then, how to transfer data from Android to iPhone after setup without reset? Well first, here I am going to introduce with a way to transfer data from Android to iPhone without having to factory reset our iPhone. And for this, we will be using Wondershare MobileTrans App. Now to get started with data transfer, simply install MobileTrans app on Android. The link for the same is shared in description and pinned comment of the video. Once installed, tap open. Now tap enter. Toggle this on to give MobileTrans access to manage all files. Now go back. Here we need to give more permissions. Tap allow. Now here we have Wondershare MobileTrans app with all its features and capabilities. From here we can do phone to phone transfer, iCloud to Android transfer and WhatsApp transfer. Next option we have is to transfer files between devices, and in last we have account details for Wondershare MobileTrans. Let's transfer data from Android to iPhone without data loss or factory reset, and for that tap phone transfer. Now tap phone to phone transfer. Now next we are required to select if this is our old phone or new phone. Tap old phone. Next, select which device we want to send data. As we are looking to transfer data to iPhone, tap iPhone. Now here we need to select what we want to transfer. Basic transfer includes photos, videos, music, contacts and more. We can also transfer text messages from Android to iPhone. Tap basic transfer to get started with transfer. Now from here we can select the data we want to transfer. Photos are selected and so are videos, contacts and apps. Now to move data from OnePlus to iPhone, tap send. First, as Wondershare MobileTrans is a paid software, we will be required to buy a plan, and it is the best time to get started with phone transfer as Wondershare MobileTrans is having summer sale. Here we can get up to 50% discount. Simply choose a plan, or if you have not already got a plan, Go ahead with the recommended plan on your Android phone. The price shown here is the discounted price of the app with summer sale. As we are doing phone to phone transfer, so that plan shows up. Now tap on buy now. Here select the payment method and complete payment. Thereafter we are required to give permissions to access Wi-Fi, location and nearby devices. After this tap next. Here it generates a QR code that we need to scan using our new iPhone. Now go to iPhone and install MobileTrans app from App Store. The link for the same is shared in description and pin comment of the video. Once Wondershare MobileTrans app for iOS get installed, tap open. This opens Wondershare MobileTrans app for iPhone. Now tap allow and then enter. Here we get many options like phone to phone transfer, cloud transfer, WhatsApp transfer. Tap on phone to phone transfer. Now select this as new phone. Here we need to give permissions to access data, contacts, calendars, reminders and photos. Once this is done, tap next. Now scan QR generated on Android phone using iPhone camera. Now tap join. Here iPhone gets started with the process to get connected with Android phone. Now boom, data transfer starts and depending on data size, it may take some time. Once done, here we have confirmation on both devices. Sent successfully and received successfully. Now we can check our iPhone for the data that we had transferred from old Android phone. See here we have all our photos and videos. First, the speed of data transfer was simply insane. What do you say about it? Share reviews in comments. Here we have also transferred contacts from Android to iPhone as well. Amazing work by Wondershare MobileTrans. Data transfer is completed between Android and iPhone. Wow, that's how easily we can transfer data from Android to iPhone for free using Move to iOS. But if Move to iOS does not work for you, you can surely try MobileTrans as it is the best phone to phone transfer solution and is best Move to iOS alternative that can easily transfer phone data from old phone to new phone without losing data. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in description and pin comment. Also, not to forget Wondershare MobileTrans summer sale where you can enjoy up to 50% discount. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share reviews and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Double Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. If you are looking to switch from Android to iPhone, if yes, then this video is exactly for you. Are you looking to get started being a content creator and make videos for YouTube? Well then, this video is exactly for you.